Hello and welcome to this video for deploying Serenity application framework on Microsoft Azure cloud. So before we begin, we will take a look at what is a Serenity framework and their GitHub repository. This is the actual library project which does all the magic, and we have another project called Seren, which is used to create a template Visual Studio and a Visual Studio gallery. So let me clone this. I'll just copy it here on the clipboard. I'll create another folder called Seren Demo. I'm using a tool called Tortoise Git to clone the repository. You can use anything, whichever, or you can use command line GitHub as well. So we'll wait till Seren project is getting downloaded on my. We have successfully cloned Seren on my computer. So let me close this. It's sometimes slower to show. Yeah, now it appeared the green color. We'll open the Seren.solution Visual Studio solution to check everything is working. So we got project open now. Before I hit build, I'll first update setting in MS config. Since I'm using my Visual Studio 2015, I need so my database is MS SQL local DB. So I'm updating the same for Northwind. Will build a solution. It will download NuGet packages. Yeah, it built successfully. Check here in output window. Now we'll just hit run to see it in action. We can see the login screen. Since I already using Seren application, the username and password populated automatically. So let me type admin and the password is Serenity and hit sign in. You should see the dashboard and the example, the latest updates on this repository. Since it is working, let's start Microsoft Azure. I'm going to create new web app. So let's call it as Seren. It's not available. So Seren demo. Yeah, it's available. I'll create one free database if it is available. It will create a website called serendemo.azurewebsite.net, and it will also create a database. we can check that website has been created. Since it's been created just now, there is nothing except for this page. The database hasn't created so far, so we'll create new database. Database has been created. We'll just link the database to web app. There is tab called linked resources. I'm gonna link the existing resource, which is our database, Seren demo. Login name is Seren and password is something which I put, not gonna tell you. It's giving problem. Let's try once more. Let's create another database on different server, since there are some issues with regions. I'm choosing this server right now. It's done. Let's link it to web app. The advantage we get when we link is we it appears when we deploy. So we have linked both of these database. Eventually it disappeared anyways. So we'll open dashboard and download the publish profile. It's got downloaded at on my desktop. From here I'll say, first let me stop the application. I'll say publish. Since I downloaded the publish profile, I can either import it or I can log in explicitly from Azure App Services. Both the options are okay. I'm gonna importing the publish profile. You can validate the connection. It's correct. Now it asks you which database you want to put for the default and for demo. I'll put Seren everywhere. Say next and just say publish. Since the web application has been deployed successfully, you can see it in action at serendemo.azurewebsites.net. The first error it will give is Seren skipped running migration to avoid modifying arbitrary database. To avoid this error, you need to make few changes here. migration. Sorry, it's here. We just need to disable this security check. Safety check. Saving it again. Just say publish. It will only update those files which are changed. It will not update the whole lot. You see the deployment is happening only for seren.web.dll, so it will be quick and fast. Now I can log in as an admin and password is Serenity, and it comes at serendemo.azurewebsite.net without much of hassle. So this is for manual deployment of Serenity application framework application. Next we'll see how to set up continuous delivery. Thank you.